Tubes. Just changed the oil on it. Trying to get this in before it starts raining again. It's only drizzling. It's not gonna hurt it. Drain the oil. Both sides have drain plugs. They're 10mm each. I like it, but see how it runs now after oil change. Definitely started differently. Did smoke a bit. On startup for some reason. Does seem to be running smoother. Alright, let's let it throttle it up now. Seems to be running a lot better with that oil change now. A lot smoother. A lot smoother. Seems to helped it a lot. A little bit more. Sorry about that. And it's turning a bit. It's a little annoying. Whatever. Now it's decided to rain a little bit more. Of course. Let's bring it up more. It's a little bit fast. Now it's deciding to rain fast all of a sudden. Always seems to do that whenever I need to do something. And that's full throttle. Like I said, it seems like the oil change did a big difference to it. Now it's running a lot smoother. Now that I changed the oil. Again, I'm using Castrol 10W30, I think full synthetic. I've been using Castrol on all my machines. It's been great so far. Wish I could run it longer, but it's raining. So let me wrap this up. And start up again like before. Sizzling hot. Did it turn up? Nah. Had to choke it there to start up again. But that's it, tubers. Braking broken again. Did an oil change. Top piston, I don't know if it's normal or not. It's like a golden brown. Same with the spark plug, but not the insulator. Just the outside that surrounds the insulator with the spark plug is golden. Now, like, it's not burning oil, but if anybody can help me, I'd be glad to tell me what the heck it is. 'Cause I don't know what it is. So, see you guys later. That's it.